Hook me up, man.
With all due respect, sir, I think you had enough.
Alright, toss them in, gents. I bet 20.
I bet 1.
How many cards?
5.
How many?
2. Oh boy. Got another one.
Not this guy again.
You know what to do. Yeah.
Seriously, sir, I don't think you should have any more.
How many cards you betting, guys?
2.
2?
I bet 1.
1?
Can you
I'll
believe that
take
guy?
3.
He's been coming in here for a while now.
Ugh, such a slob.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Swear.
How is he not in the can yet?
Society's getting dumber as we speak.
Yeesh.
Please? Please?
Sir, no matter how many times you come in, I'm not gonna serve you.
Jeez, man, how many bars do you work at?